Okay, let's go directly to our steps on how to solve the system of linear equation using the LU decomposition. Number 1, rewrite the system of linear equation to matrix form. So that is our number 1. Number 2, reduce matrix A to row echelon form U without interchanging any rows. So importante kay nga dili na to interchange ilang mga rows. Number 3, use the opposites of the multipliers used in row operations to obtain U. Then we can build L. Number 4, solve for Ly equals B for Y. And then number 5, solve for Ux equals Y for X. O sige, kung mangutana ka, asa nagikan ning Ly equals B for Y and Ux equals Y for X, giderive na ni siya nga formula. Alright, so gikan ani nga pag-derive sa formula, nakuha na to tong Ly equals B for Y and Ux equals Y for X. So mao ni basically ang atong solution nga sundon sa atong pag-solve karon sa LU decomposition. Okay? So let's proceed and have our example. Alright, this is the system of linear equation. X sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 equals 1 and so on and so forth. First step nga atong pagabuhaton is we need to rewrite this system of linear equation to matrix form. So how do we do that? Ngayon siya. Okay, so basically what we have here, this is our coefficient matrix, our variable matrix, and our constant matrix. So mana siya ang ato ang matrix form. Step number 2 is we need to reduce our matrix A to echelon form to find the U. Our goal is to make 4 and 3, 5 equal to 0. Unsa i-multiply na to karon sa row 1, i-plus na to sa row 2 para mahimong 0 si 4. Akong gibuhat is gimultiplyan nako og negative 4 sa row 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus 4, 0 yung labas diri. Next, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus 3, negative 1 yung labas diri. Next, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus negative 1. The answer is negative 5. Now, next thing atong himong 0 is kani si 3. So, unsa atong i-multiply sa row 1, then add to row 3 para mahimo ning 0 diri, si 3. Ang atong i-multiply is negative 3. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 3, 0. Okay? Next, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Correct? Next, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 3. The answer is 0. Okay. Next thing atong himong 0 is kaning 2. Himo na to ni siyang 0. Atong i-multiply sa row 2 is 2. Okay? 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 2, 0. Okay, we got the 0. Next, 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10 plus 0 is negative 10. So now we have obtained our U and na-obtain na po nato atong L. Mo ni ang porma sa L. Given ni nga naatay 1 nga diagonal and puros 0 dis babaw. Okay? Now, asa man ka nagkuha og 4, 3, and negative 2. Dito na sa itong mga multipliers diri. Ang mga opposite nila diri, magipangbutang nato diri. Okay? Negative 4, so atong ibutang diri is positive 4. Negative 3, positive 3. Positive 2, negative 2. So, mga opposite nila ang atong gipang butang. Next thing atong buhaton is we need to write the lower triangular matrix sa system of linear equation para ma-solve na to si Y. Nagikan si B, mo na ang constant sa atong given ganina dire sa tong problem. Okay? Makita nimo equals 1 equals 6 equals 4, mao po na atong gibutan dire 1, 6 and 4. Gets? Okay, sulat na to siya sa system of linear equation. Then, mahimo siyang ingon ani. Okay? So, we have our 1 y sub 1 mga 0, 0 equals 1. Okay? So, y sub 1 equals 1. Kuha. Next is, we have this 4. Okay? 4y sub 1 plus y sub 2. Kay 1 naman. Then, wala tayo y sub 3. Equals 6 na dayon. 3 y sub 1 minus 2y sub 2 plus y sub 3 equals 4. So, mao ni tanan diri. Gikan sa babaw, mao ni na diri sa equal sa atong mga equation. So, unsay buhaton nato sunod ani? Okay, atong buhaton sunod is we need to find the value of y sub 2 and y sub 3. Na naman tayo value ni y sub 1. So, this is the solution for our y sub 2. Ato ang gi-substitute ang y equals 1 sa aning equation. So, 4 times 1 plus y sub 2 equals 6. Then, perform operations. So, makuha na to karon is y sub 2 equals 2. Next thing is we need to find the value of y sub 3. So, the value of our y sub 1 is 1 and the value of our y sub 2 is 2. So, pangitawon to ang value ni y sub 3. And perform na operation, we will come up with y sub 3 equals 5. What to do next? As you can see, nagamit na nato ang value or ang matrix ni L, ni lower triangular matrix. So, ang wala pa nato nagamit karon is si upper triangular matrix. So, atong gamiton si upper triangular matrix. We will write this in this form. U times x equals y to solve for x. Since nakuha naman nato ang value sa y ganina, now atong i-solve na po this value ni x. So this is our upper triangular matrix nga na-solve ganina and our x nga atong i-solve karon and the value of y nga atong i-solve diri sa babaw. Okay? Our y sub 1 is 1, y sub 2 is 2, and y sub 3 is 5. Okay? We get that. Same sa atong gibuhat kanina, ang kaning LU atong gisulat as system of linear equation. Same thing atong buhaton diri, this form ato apo ni isulat into a system of linear equation. Okay, mo ni ang porma. Puros man na ay value 1, so x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 equals 1. So, 1. Negative 1x sub 2 minus 5x sub 3 equals 2. 2. And our last row, negative 10, x sub 3 equals 5. Now, let's find the values of x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. Ani? Pahumanan na ni, inig makuha na to ang values na x sub 1, 2, and 3, humana ta sa tong solution. Okay? First na to pangitaag value kay si x sub 3. So this is the solution for x sub 3. Negative 10 x sub 3 equals 5. So man siya. Divide by negative 10. Negative 10. So cash out negative 10. Mahabilin sa x sub 3 equals negative 1/2. So that is the value of our x sub 3. Now, ito i-substitute ang value ng x sub 3 dire. Okay? So this is the solution sa pagkuha kang x sub 2. Okay? Negative x sub 2 minus 5 x sub 3 equals 2. The value of x sub 3 is negative 1/2. And then we will do the necessary operations dire. And then we will come up with x sub 2 equals 1/2. So that is now the value of our x sub 2. Lastly, we will find the value of our x sub 1. So, kani nga equation. Ato ang i-substitute ang value na x sub 3 and x sub 2 dito sa equation number 1. So, mao ni karon ang solution to find the value of x sub 1. We know the value of x sub 2 is 1/2. The value of x sub 3 is negative 1/2. Then, do the necessary operation. Kani minus naman sila, cancel out. X sub 1 equals 1. We have now the values of x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. Mao na sila karon ang solution sa atoang system of linear equation. Thus, the solution to the given system of linear equation is x sub 1 equals 1, x sub 2 equals 1 half, x sub 3 equals negative 1 half, or in matrix form, x equals 1, 1 half, and negative 1 half. Kung saan na ito pagkabalo nga tama ang atong solution, we will check. Okay, we will check using our original system of linear equation. Atong i-substitute kani nga mga values dito sa original system of linear equation, which is kani. X sub 1 is 1, x sub 2 is 1 half, x sub 3 is negative 1 half. So 1 plus 1 half minus 1 half equals 1. So makancel out tong duha ka 1 half, 1 equals 1. So that is the solution. And for this solution, we get the correct answer.